Damian, you look like a man who wants to win a trophy.
We're on a bit of a mission tour, so we're doing all right. It's a bit slippy, but it's a good pace today, so yeah, just keep going.
Now, I was talking to Dennis. He's going to chase you. He had a bit of a flat tyre in one of the stages, but he's going to chase you, and he's going to chase you hard. So what's the strategy for you? One more stage to go, and then Clubman's over.
That's good. Time for a beer. No, I'll keep going. I'll play her safe in stage 6 because it's the last one, the Clubman. So, and then we'll push on in 7 and 8 for the New South Wales to get up the ladder a bit and that. But hopefully we can bring the Clubman home. We're very close now. So,
Car's been going okay?
Yeah, it's been good. Yeah. Just getting used to the tyres, but we're just sort of messing around with pressures. But I think we've got it now. So.
You won the Clubman Series part of the event, and you stayed around for the famous River Road.
Yeah, it was good. It's pretty dangerous there, that last round. We had a bit of an off there, so we just cruised over the line, but done well. We finished it. We're all in one piece, so that's the main thing. Just keep her flat out.
So a nice bag of Clubman points means you go into the final round with a bit of a lead.
Yes, that'll be good. At least there's a bit of a space now in between, so we'll be looking forward to Oberon, and hopefully we can do the same there. See how we go.
Are you planning on doing any events in between?
No. Try to keep the car in one piece. Save her for Oberon, so.